Hello guys, today I got a very special video for you today. It's gonna be a truck tour. Also look at this. That is just a good cake. Let's head out. Truck tour 2016. It's a pickup truck. It's a 1979 Chevy pickup truck. Let's go. Doggone mission. Okay, so first look at that. That's just gorgeous. Wheel. It's green leather seats, back long bed, the front. G-Wagon light, that's what I call G-Wagon light. Look at this car that's coming now. So that will be all of the tour. This truck is really not much. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you love this video. Peace.